Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this CGBOOM string light hanging kit. Oh yeah, it's a CGBOOM 1/8 inches stainless steel cable wire, 98 feet coated wire, rope with turnbuckles and hooks for deck railing systems. For outdoor use, yeah, and of course indoors too, possible. Light hanging, garden fence, as you like, you can use it. It's a really tough thing to use that kind of wired connectivity. Really cool. Enough accessories are included. This guide wire for string lights, for example, provide almost all of the kit we need, including 98 feet length 3mm stainless steel wire rope cable, 10 piece of M4 double ropes, 10 piece of M5 high screw, 10 piece of plastic anchors, 5 piece M4 turnbuckles, 1 piece socket branch, 100 piece black twist ties, and 1 user manual. This is enough for our yard or garden light hanging, for example. The 3mm vinyl coating wire rope cable length 98 feet is made from high quality 304 stainless steel, 7 to 7 strands construction, enhancing the resistance to wear, rust, and other corrosions. Ensures durability and longevity. Perfect for hanging outdoor string lights. And upgraded double rope clamp. The duplex 2-post cable clamp, offering improved lightning effect and looks more tidy compared to the single bolties. Once the guide wire is pulled tightly, it is sturdy enough to hang heavy-duty string lights in large open areas, preventing the wind from blowing. But not only string lights are compatible with that set here, it has a wide applications. This light hanging kit is perfect for indoor and outdoor use. It can be used in multiple ways, such as hanging string lights for a romantic party, patio garden, porch, backyard, and indoor suspension for lamps, clotheslines, photo frames, shade sails, or any hanging objects which need a wire connection. And we can design different lighting suspension types to enhance the visual effect according to the layout of our yard. Using our imagination, decoration, create the atmosphere and enjoy the fun of DIY. And it's really easy to install. Every component of this string light suspension kit is threaded and requires no additional tools to complete the project. The accessories are very compact and easy to assemble or disassemble. Furthermore, a detailed instruction is provided to make a simple task to put the string light on, no matter on wood, timber, or concrete walls. It's really easy. We drill the 3mm hole, for example. Then we put the plastic anchor in the holes. Then we put the M5 eye screw in the wall. Then the thumb buckle to connect the eye screw and the cable can help us to adjust the cable light or loose. And we loosen or tighten the turnbuckle screws easily, but for fasten a rope with a double rope clamp, it's easy too, as you can see in that video here. We put the cable inside the screw, then we use the socket wrench to tighten the screw, and we use the socket wrench to reinforce the screw. In installation is completed, and then we can use it as we like. It's really cool. CGBOOM 1/8 inches galvanized steel wire cable. Weather resistant, waterproof, rust resistant, and insulated. This hanging kit can be used in multiple ways, such as hanging string lights for a romantic party, in the patio, in the garden, in the porch, in the backyard, and indoor. Suspension for lamps, clotheslines too, photo frames, shade sails, or any hanging needed. Using your imagination to use it. 3mm vinyl coated wire, rope, cable, aAnchors, durability, and long lasting lifetime. Perfect for hanging out or string lights. And 7 to 7 strands construction enhance the resistance to wear, rust, and other corrosions. aAnchors durability and longevity. And the length is 30 meters. These are 98 feet. It's enough for a yard or garden light hanging project. Nearly every can hang there if you like. Because you have 3 or 4 stainless steel wire ropes, cable can be easily trimmed to any desired length and enhance the resistance to wear, rust, and other corrosions. For particle clothesline, wine hanging, 13 rod systems, grapevines for wedding, for parties, for a bar at the street, in the park, as you like, you can use it. The CGBOOM light hanging kit is perfect for indoor and outdoor use, and we can design different lighting suspensions type to enhance the visual effect according to layout of our yard. Really easy, as you can see, and it makes a good job because it's so massive. Okay, it's so durable because it comes with the stainless steel, and you can use it as you like and as you need it. If you need it for some project, for example, here in the North Coast, okay, we are on the North Coast. It's a windy condition often here, in fall, for example, or in spring. And then here a lot of, in the garden, a lot of trees and so on are shaking so much, and if it is too dangerous for them, it's really cool to have such a string light hanging kit here by us, and then we can support these trees, plants, or other things against flying away. It's really cool and it's easy to operate. This is the string light hanging kit by CGBOOM. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So.